So many different places have had it so rough. I mean, it's rough around here too, certainly last weekend, but you know, some of these places, Nashville, just the ice, and now other states getting hit twice.
I know. Thankfully, we're not going to see big impacts from that storm this weekend. We might pick up a dusting, half of an inch over the next 2 days, but really those impacts should be minimal compared to, yes, those folks that are still without power due to the ice storms, especially in Tennessee, Mississippi. Of course, we had some people without power in South Central Kentucky and Eastern Kentucky as well. But in terms of our weather impact alert, not quite on the same level as last week. We are expecting some light snowfall, slippery travel potentially tomorrow morning, and then sub-zero wind chills. So dangerous cold still on the table Friday night into Saturday morning with yet another cold weather advisory in effect. So make sure you do drive with caution. You do bundle up if you're going to be out, especially Friday night into Saturday morning. Now, in terms of how much snowfall we could pick up, this is going to be on the higher end of things. I will tell you this because I don't think everybody in Kentuckiana is going to be picking up some kind of snowfall this weekend. Yes, many of us might see some flurries, but we're talking about at most an inch of snowfall. And I think if we see that, it'll be our southernmost counties and our southeasternmost counties, primarily south and southeast of the parkways. Many of us, if we see snow, it would be a dusting to maybe half of an inch. On this particular legend, anything that's in that gray or white color is less than an inch of snowfall. And as you just heard, the big impacts from this weekend are going to be felt along the Carolinas into Virginia, potentially down into Georgia and the mountains there of East Tennessee and potentially Eastern Kentucky as well. They could pick up a couple of inches in Eastern Kentucky. But the futurecast showing this band of light snow that will continue to track southward tonight and into tomorrow morning. It starts to pick up in intensity once it pushes off to the east. And then what we're really paying attention to is this strengthening low pressure center here that's going to rapidly intensify as it rides up the east coast and of course away from our area, but could cause some travel impacts for anybody trying to get out of town again this weekend. Max HG radar starting to see some of that light snow, but waiting for it to actually reach the ground. Maybe flurries at first before it becomes steadier light snow showers as it pushes down to the south tomorrow morning. We do start off tomorrow in the teens with highs just topping out in the 20s. Quieter conditions for all of us by the afternoon and evening. And then we're just talking lingering flurries possible throughout the day on Saturday. A reminder that we do have a cold weather advisory in place Friday night through Saturday morning for wind chills as cold as 10 below zero. Your 7-day forecast here next week. We do return to the 30s, so it'll be a gradual, really slow melting process because we'll have some overnight refreezes as well. And we're tracking the chance for a wintry mix by Wednesday.